Troubleshooting picture quality on an LG UHD TV. Congratulations on your new LG UHD TV. UHD, or Ultra High Definition, provides an outstanding viewing experience at 3840 by 2160 resolution, 4 times that of Full HD's 1920 by 1080 pixel format. UHD delivers highly detailed video content in rich colors with smooth motion and elevated brightness. If the image quality you see on your LG UHD TV is not as eye-catching as you expected after seeing the TV playing at your local store, there are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Reasons for a distorted image can include watching video content with low resolution, the HD TV settings not being set up properly, using cables that cannot support UHD videos, using an external device that does not support 4K output, or the video output settings on your external device not being configured properly. Let's begin by testing your TV with true 4K content. There are 2 ways to do this. One requires high-speed internet and the other does not. To test using high-speed internet with 25 megabits per second download speed, press the Home button on your remote control. Then select the YouTube application from the launch bar. On YouTube, select and try playing a 4K video. This next test can be performed without an internet connection. Press Settings on your TV remote. Click the vertical dots. Access the Picture menu. Click on Picture Test. Then select and play a 4K video from YouTube. After performing one of these tests, if your TV displays as you expected with the 4K video, then your UHD TV is working properly and you have previously been watching lower resolution videos. If the image on your UHD TV is still distorted with the test, verify that your TV is set up for home mode and not for store use. Using the remote control, press Settings and click the vertical dots. Then go to General, then Devices, then TV Management, then Home/Store mode. Once you have changed your TV to home mode, navigate to YouTube and try playing true 4K video content again. If the image is still poor, note that the distorted image quality may be caused by the incoming signal from the cables or input devices connected to the TV. Let's check the cable connection. Make sure all the cables are securely connected to the device and the television. And make sure any color-coded cable plugs go into the matching color ports of the other device. Regarding cables, it is best to use one type of cable connection over another. High-speed HDMI cables are preferred over component cables, while component cables are preferred over composite and coaxial types. Also check the resolution coming from the input device. In some cases, your source input device, such as a VCR, may be sending a very low resolution to your UHD TV. This applies more to older devices. Newer devices will automatically detect the TV resolution and upscale the output resolution to produce a 4K viewing experience. To detect the input device resolution, on the remote control press Info. Your TV will display the program information as well as the resolution of the input signal coming into the TV. Lastly, your TV has picture mode settings that you can set according to your preference. There are a number of options to select from, depending on the type of content you are watching. There is no right or wrong option. It is simply a matter of preference. Once you select an option, you should be able to see the changes immediately being applied to your picture. If that doesn't suit you, choose another from the options until you find one that you like. To view the picture mode settings with WebOS 5.0, on your LG remote control press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then Picture Mode Settings, then Picture Mode. For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then Picture, then select Mode. For further details on the available picture mode presets, as well as other picture settings. Please check the user guide for your TV on the LG.com website. If after trying these troubleshooting steps the picture on your LG UHD TV is still distorted, your TV may require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.